Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix update install error 0x80070643 problem. First solution, click on start menu, click on settings, click on update and security, click on Windows security, virus and threat protection, and here you'll find these virus and threat protection settings. You have to click on manage settings, and here you'll find these real-time protection options. You must have to disable this option from here and click on yes, and I'll check the problem is fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to turn off antivirus. So if you're using any kind of antivirus software on your computer, you will need to disable the software, and that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.